Weight loss doesn't fail because of effort, it fails because of the wrong foods. Meals that seem healthy can silently slow metabolism, increase cravings, and make fat loss almost impossible. That's why progress feels stuck, no matter how hard the effort is. But everything changes when the body gets the right foods. Because some foods don't just feed the body, they switch it into fat-burning mode. This is a simple diet plan built around 10 powerful superfoods that can help trigger real weight loss. And one of them makes a noticeable difference in just days. Late-night hunger, constant cravings. That's where most weight loss journeys start to break. Cottage cheese. This is often one of the first real turning points because it works differently from most foods. Cottage cheese is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that releases energy gradually, which means the body stays full for a much longer time without sudden hunger spikes. Instead of feeling the need to snack every couple of hours, hunger becomes more controlled, especially at night when cravings are usually at their strongest. Another powerful benefit is how it supports fat burning while preserving lean muscle. When the body has enough protein, it doesn't break down muscle during weight loss. And that's important because more muscle means a higher metabolism. This allows the body to burn more calories even while resting, making fat loss more efficient without needing extreme dieting. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those sudden crashes that lead to sugar cravings and overeating. Over time, this creates a natural calorie reduction without feeling restricted, which is one of the key reasons why weight loss becomes easier and more sustainable. A complete list of foods like this is included in the free eBook, Top 30 No Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss, available in the description and first comment. Heavy mornings, low energy, sluggish digestion, that slow start can affect the entire day. Lemon water. This simple habit often becomes one of the easiest but most effective changes because it gently resets the body every morning. Lemon water helps stimulate digestion right after waking up, allowing the body to process food more efficiently instead of feeling bloated or heavy. When digestion improves, the body becomes better at using nutrients and less likely to store excess fat. It also plays a key role in reducing water retention and bloating, which can make the body feel lighter within just a few days. That visible difference can be very motivating early in a weight loss journey, especially when progress feels slow at the beginning. Another important benefit is how it helps control cravings throughout the day. Starting the morning with lemon water supports hydration and stabilizes appetite signals, which reduces the chances of reaching for sugary or high-calorie snacks later on. Over time, this small habit helps create a consistent calorie deficit without forcing strict restrictions. Because it's low in calories but high in impact, lemon water becomes an easy daily routine that supports fat loss naturally, without adding complexity to the diet. Before moving to the next one, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because the next foods are where the real transformation happens. Eating less, but still feeling hungry. That's one of the biggest struggles during weight loss. Arugula. This is where things start to shift because arugula allows meals to feel bigger without actually increasing calories. It's extremely low in calories but packed with nutrients, which means the body gets what it needs while overall intake stays controlled. This makes it much easier to stay in a calorie deficit without the constant feeling of restriction. Another key benefit is how it supports digestion and reduces inflammation in the body. When inflammation is high, fat loss becomes slower and more difficult, even with effort. Arugula contains powerful antioxidants that help the body function more efficiently, creating a better internal environment for fat burning. It also adds volume and texture to meals, which naturally increases satisfaction. Bigger-looking meals send stronger signals to the brain that enough food has been eaten, reducing the urge to snack later. Over time, this leads to a natural reduction in calories without forcing strict dieting or portion control. Because of this combination, low calories, high nutrients, and increased fullness, Arugula becomes a simple but powerful tool that makes weight loss feel easier and more sustainable. Cravings hitting at the worst times, energy dropping, hunger coming back too fast. That's where progress usually breaks. Black beans. This is where things start to stabilize because black beans work slowly inside the body. They are rich in both fiber and protein, which means digestion becomes slower and more controlled, keeping the body full for longer periods without sudden hunger spikes. Instead of feeling the need to eat again shortly after a meal, fullness lasts, making it easier to stay consistent without overeating. Another powerful effect is how they help regulate blood sugar levels. When blood sugar rises too quickly, quickly, the body tends to store more fat and trigger stronger cravings later on. Black beans help prevent those sharp spikes, keeping energy steady and reducing the cycle of cravings that often leads to unnecessary snacking. They also support gut health, which plays a bigger role in weight loss than most people realize. A healthier gut improves digestion, nutrient absorption, and even how the body manages fat storage. Over time, this creates a more balanced system where weight loss becomes smoother and more sustainable. Because of this combination, long-lasting fullness, stable energy, and better internal balance, black beans become one of those foods that quietly make a big difference in maintaining consistent fat loss without extreme dieting. Pineapple. This is where things start to feel easier, because pineapple gives that natural sweetness the body is looking for without adding processed sugars. It satisfies cravings in a cleaner way, which helps reduce the need for high-calorie snacks and desserts that usually slow down weight loss. Another powerful benefit comes from an enzyme called bromelain, which helps improve digestion and allows the body to break down food more efficiently. When digestion improves, the body becomes better at processing nutrients and less likely to store excess fat, especially around the stomach area. It also helps reduce bloating and water retention, which can make a noticeable difference in how the body feels and looks within a short time. That lighter feeling can be a strong motivator to stay consistent, especially during the early stages of weight loss. Because it combines natural sweetness, better digestion, and reduced bloating, pineapple becomes a simple but effective way to control cravings while still supporting steady fat loss. Zucchini. This is where things become easier because zucchini allows the body to feel full without adding many calories. It's made up of a high percentage of water along with fiber, which means it fills the stomach quickly and creates a strong sense of satiety without increasing overall calorie intake. Another important benefit is how it helps control portion sizes naturally. When meals include zucchini, they become larger in volume, which signals to the brain that enough food has been consumed. This reduces the need for second servings or extra snacks, making it easier to maintain a calorie deficit without feeling restricted. It also supports digestion and keeps the system running smoothly, which plays a key role in consistent weight loss. When digestion is efficient, the body processes food better and avoids that heavy, bloated feeling that can slow down progress and reduce motivation. Because of this combination, low calories, high volume, and better fullness, zucchini becomes one of those foods that quietly helps reduce daily calorie intake while keeping meals satisfying and balanced. Eggs. This is where real balance begins, because eggs provide a complete source of protein along with healthy fats, which helps the body stay full for much longer after a meal. Instead of dealing with quick hunger spikes, fullness becomes more stable, making it easier to go longer without needing extra snacks. Another powerful effect is how eggs influence hunger hormones. They help reduce the signals that trigger appetite while increasing the feeling of satisfaction, which naturally leads to eating fewer calories throughout the day without feeling forced or restricted. They also support muscle maintenance during weight loss, which is extremely important because muscle helps keep metabolism active. The more lean muscle the body preserves, the more calories it continues to burn even at rest, making fat loss more efficient over time. Because of this combination, long-lasting fullness, better appetite control, and metabolism support, eggs become one of the most reliable foods for maintaining consistent weight loss without extreme dieting. Chili peppers. This is where things begin to shift, because chili peppers activate the body in a different way. They contain a compound called capsaicin, which naturally increases metabolism and helps the body burn more calories throughout the day, even during rest. That small boost, repeated daily, can make a noticeable difference over time. Another important effect is how they help reduce appetite. Adding a bit of spice to meals can increase the feeling of fullness and decrease the desire to overeat, making it easier to control portions without feeling restricted. This makes maintaining a calorie deficit feel more natural instead of forced. They also slightly increase body temperature, which encourages the body to use more energy during digestion, a process that supports fat burning without requiring extra effort. Combined with regular meals, this helps keep the body in a more active, calorie-burning state. Because of this combination, higher metabolism, reduced appetite, and increased calorie burn, chili peppers become a simple addition that can help push through weight loss plateaus and keep progress moving forward. Green apples. This is where control starts to come back because green apples help manage hunger in a simple but effective way. They are rich in fiber, especially pectin, which slows digestion and keeps the stomach full for longer periods. Instead of feeling the need to snack constantly, hunger becomes more stable and easier to manage throughout the day. Another key benefit is their low sugar content compared to other sweet foods. While they still satisfy that need for something sweet, they don't cause the sharp blood sugar spikes that lead to crashes and stronger cravings later. This helps break the cycle of craving, snacking, and overeating that often slows down weight loss. They also require more chewing, which may seem small but actually plays an important role in signaling fullness to the brain. The longer eating process gives the body time to recognize that enough food has been consumed, reducing the chances of eating more than needed. Because of this combination, fiber-rich fullness, better sugar control, and reduced snacking, green apples become a simple replacement that helps cut unnecessary calories while keeping the body satisfied and on track. Avocado. This is where things start to balance out because avocado works differently from most foods. It's rich in healthy fats that digest slowly, which helps the body stay satisfied for a longer time instead of triggering quick hunger. That steady fullness makes it easier to go through the day without constant snacking or overeating. Another powerful benefit is how it helps stabilize blood sugar levels. When blood sugar stays steady, energy levels remain consistent and cravings become much easier to control. This prevents the sudden drops that usually lead to reaching for high-calorie foods, allowing the body to stay in a fat-burning state for longer periods. It also supports hormone balance related to hunger and satiety, helping the body naturally regulate how much food is needed instead of relying on willpower alone. Over time, this creates a more controlled eating pattern where portions become smaller without feeling restricted. Because of this combination, long-lasting fullness, stable energy, and better appetite control, avocado becomes one of the most effective foods for reducing cravings and maintaining consistent weight loss without extreme dieting. Real weight loss isn't about extreme diets. It's about choosing foods that support the body instead of working against it. When the right foods are added consistently, the results follow naturally. The free ebook, Top 30 No Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss, is available in the description and first comment for a complete guide. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Which of these foods will be added first?